Welcome back, welcome back. So today I'm very happy because Fable 5 is finally back. And honestly, it's about time. So in this video, I'm going to use Fable 5 to build a full landing page from scratch. And I have to use it wisely. For each iteration, I'm going to use Sonnet 5, which just also came out. So let's jump into it and let's see if Fable 5 is still a beast. Okay, you have a lot of way to use AI, and my workflow before was I focus on the visual first and then I focus on the animation. One, I don't have a design.md that is ready, which is the design system. I always start with the arrow section, and the arrow section is going to define my design system, and then I add the other section, right? And I always use another model for the visuals, such as GPT 5.5 and Gemini 3.1 Pro. For animation, I also use Gemini 3.1 Pro and Claude Opus 5.8. I use so much AI model that I'm lost with the name, and always new model come out, so like okay. But in this video, I very want to focus on the two models, Fable 5 and Claude Sonnet 5. But to use Fable 5, we have to use it wisely, which means I have to try to do everything in one shot prompt. Like I cannot start with the arrow section and then iterate again. It's gonna cost me so much money. And for that, I will need image to help me create the visual, a detailed prompt, skill, PRD, whatever that you need to help Claude to build in the first prompt. Okay. Also, you will find a lot of ROM that you can find on X, but the goal of this video is to show you how to create your own prompt, because let's be honest, nobody write a super long prompt like this without the help of AI, okay? And at the end of the video, I can ask AI to generate the full prompt so I can give it to you. So you just enter the prompt and that's it. You just have to change the asset. Before we get started, you can copy the prompt and the design.md directly into my profile and aura.build. And also, I will give you the full prompt with the asset and the description below if you want to have the prompt. All right, so the first thing we need is inspiration. So let's go to this website. You can also go to Framer. What you need is a website because we're going to take a video of that website while we're scrolling. So let's take this one. Okay, so this one is very original. You will see a lot of landing page with this kind of animation. This is not an animation, by the way, it's a video. So how it's work is you use a video. It's called a scroll driving video animation. Okay, so when you scroll, the video play. So it controlled by the user scroll position. So as the user scroll down, the video play frame by frame. And when the user stop scrolling, the video pause automatically. And I see a lot of this in X, and all of my coworker always use a video too. So this is several video. So when a video finish, it go to the next scene, which is the next video. But I analyzed this landing page and it's not a video tag, but it's a Apple style image seconds strap on code. And also for the visual, the goal is not to copy exactly the visual. All I want is to copy the animation. This way, I don't need to write myself a full prompt, because normally what you have to do is to describe how you want your animation, you interaction, how to be the on scroll animation. So with a video, I don't need to type any prompt myself. So that's why I very loved using this technique. All right. So you can use ChatGPT directly in the chat, or you can use Codec. I give it to ChatGPT and I ask it to analyze the video, and I need a screenshot of the full landing page and also a full detailed prompt to reproduce the same animation, on load animation, on scroll experience. I want to copy that. And the reason why I also ask the screenshot is to guide AI to reproduce visually, but at the end, I will change completely. So I don't have the full code. So Claude cannot look on the code and see how the landing page was structured. So it will simply analyze what he see in the video. And by the way, you can use Claude to analyze the video and create a prompt and document for you. But by using Fable 5, it very fast my usage limit. So it will cost you a lot of token to just to have the prompt and the images, etc. That's why I use ChatGPT instead for documentation, writing an article, or writing detailed prompt. Okay. And when I use Claude is to build because I don't want to waste too much token. Also, you have to think about what you want to build. What is the product? What is the services? What is the story? Then you need to create a document for your product. So AI does have to guess what the project is about. So for this landing page, I want to adapt the idea into a fantasy gaming website. This story is, it's a little bit like Aquaman, if you know the movie. So you don't need to write a full movie script. You just need enough context so AI understand the word, the moon, the character, and the visual direction. So, all right, I have my image. Of course, the image is just a placeholder. I'm going to replace everything. And here is my full detailed prompt. So, honestly, I won't be able to write everything from scratch like this. And every designer who give you prompt I will use AI. And at the end of the video, I will give you the final prompt. This is just the start. Of course, my prompt will change why I'm refine everything. All right, so let's jump into cloud code. And I'm going to attach the PRD and the images with my super long detailed prompt. We're going to use Unsplash images as placeholder. And after that, we're going to change all the asset. And it's extremely long for this kind of project. So it's easily take around 10 to 15 minutes or more. So while it's run, I usually do something else because I don't have the patience to just sit there and wait. And sometimes I eat my usage and have to wait a few hours, which is very annoying when I'm in the middle of recording something. But sometimes I cheat and I use Fablefy directly inside Aura.bill. But I'm going to use Claude directly because I'm subscribed only for this month. So I have to, you know, use it, and I will see if I will continue to subscribe to it because, I'm subscribed to a lot of things. So I have to check which workflow is best for me. So now what's left is mostly replacing the images and video, polishing the design more, and spending a bit more time making the whole landing page feel even more amazing and cool. So, like I mentioned, I don't want to pay for another video tool. So, I'm going to bring everything into aura.build. And the main reason is that I don't want to use too many different tools or pay for extra platform just to finish one project. Uh, Claude gave me the code, but the website is not automatically public. You still need a place to deploy. So I want to keep everything simple. I'm just going to use Aura and publish from there. Okay, so here is the result of the one-shot prompt. So as you can see, we need to change the images and to make it more interesting, maybe using video. So how it's work is once you scroll, it enter another scene. So it's not going to scroll at the bottom, but the overall structure is very good. So here is the result with the images that I generate. So I use Midjourney and ChatGPT Images 2.0. And for the video, some are Midjourney and some are Grok. I don't know how to pronounce that. Grok video. I also delete a lot of unnecessary thing, like some weird outline or layer. I just delete it. I try to clean the much as I can. But if you want to go further, because I love to spend more time, so of course I cannot record the full process because I take so much time. So just to replace the images, I spend so much time just to generate the full the images and the video. All right. So I'm done with this landing page. So I publish it. So you can take the design.md or copy the prompt directly inside aura.build. And my profile, you will find this amazing template. So I did not record the part of I created a section because when I'm done recording, I did not stop here. So I go further. I add a lot of stuff, but I decided to create another video about this because it's not about Fable 5. I create this arrow using codec instead. So just watch the next video. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you like and enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and tell me if Fable 5 is your best AI model to build a full landing page. Bye.